If you are using Windows computer, you must make sure that if your number lock is off, you must turn on your number lock. So now you can see that the number lock is enabled. The next step is that on the left side of your keyboard, the spacebar here, you can see an Alt key. So you must press and hold this Alt key, so you do not remove your finger from this Alt key. And at the same time, in this section, that is in the numerical area, you must type 1 2 8 0 6 8, and after that you can release your finger from this Alt key, and now you can see that the symbol of mouth have been arrived here. So remember, the keyboard shortcut to get the mouth symbol is Alt plus 128068. That is, you must press and turn on the number lock. After that, press and hold this Alt key and type 128068, and after that release your finger from Alt key to get the mouth symbol. Now if you want to type the eyes symbol, I will show you. The shortcut is Alt plus 128065. That is, you must go to your keyboard and you must turn on this number lock. After that, you must press and hold your finger in this Alt key, and at the same time you must type here 128065, and after that you must release your finger from this Alt key. So if you type like that, you can see the symbol of eye have been arrived. So you can see that only one eye is there. The symbol of one eye have been arrived in your Windows computer. And suppose if you want to get the symbol of eyes, that is EYES, that is you want two eyes, then you must use the keyboard shortcut here 128064 as Alt code. That is, you must type here. That is, you must press and hold this Alt key. Make sure the number lock is enabled, and after that you must type here 128064, and after typing that you can release your finger from this Alt key, and you can see the symbol of eyes have been arrived here. That you can see two eyes here. No? Okay, these videos are interesting. For more videos, please subscribe our channel Engineers Online. Thank you.